it's fine.
Oh.
Go!
I'll back up.
That was okay.
The content.
For the content. We're here. We're here. This should be easy.
Is the ground, and then this is what each stake hooks onto, like that.
And then I stake it. Go.
Okay, let go. And then these. Oh, and then no, and I sleep like that. That's so, no, that's so sad. Wait, no, the shorty comes here. That wasn't as painful as I thought. I'm gonna eat the garlic.
Chef, what's tonight's menu?
Cacio e pepe.
Why do we go so mean?
Thank you.
Wait, I forgot. How do you say it?
빨간색반.
You tell me that Noelle learned this shit and you still haven't learned it from us?
I know, I'm ashamed.
Come on.
Look it. Don't ruin the ASMR.
Whoa, this tastes so good. She always said I did that.
Welcome to another day in the place for
I'm a little nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm real confused. The first layer, the second layer, continuation. Is it this one?
Direction shown in the illustration.
Okay. So like this? Like this? Oh! It's really firm actually. Okay. It's going. It's doing good. I didn't usually be more determined. I'm liking it. Right. Okay. Woo! Yay! Cute. Ah!
You're dreaming about somebody else. Now I'm feeling like I'm wasting my time. I think I'm losing my mind, but I can't help but feel like we don't love the way that we used to. You tell me all your secrets while you sleep, but you don't know that I'm moving on my own. You should know that life is cold in this world that we build, yeah. So the flares in your heart, now it's nightmare, but I can't stay away. I used to fly in my dreams as a kid, but when I'm with you, it's like I'm losing my powers all over again, and I can't help but feel like we don't choose
So stupid.
what we dream about, and right now I just need someone to feel like I'll make it through the night. On my own, you should know that life has grown cold in this world that we built, yeah. The solar flares in your heart, now it's nightmare, but I can't stay away.
We are entering now. What is it called? Dark Hollow Falls Trail. It is approximately an hour and a half long trail. We have entered the woods.
Love that. There you go. I think that's the wrong. Yay! Perfect. She's been visited. There's a full laundry now. Oh wow. Shower situation. Okay. Wait, lick it.
What?
No, it's because they wouldn't stick together in mine. Okay. Oops. But yours looks perfect.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Part 2, perfection. I don't think a marshmallow could get this oozy with just a skewer. I'd be too scared. I feel like a kid again.
Check it out. Nice. Done.
You got this.
Got that.
Dude, I really hope we're going the right way. Oh, I see Lee Highway. We're good.